I've been blessed up, I've been broke down. Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Running faster, I can't slow down.
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Brittany and today we're going to be doing something exciting, something needed. Today I'm going to be straightening my hair. As you can tell from the title, I've had my hair straightened for quite some time now, a month. I usually go like a month with my hair straight. It's quite dry, quite dirty, need some love. I'll show you what it looks like. Do not judge, okay? So this is what, and I have not combed it or brushed it or done anything, but this is what we're working with. Look, what is that? So normally I will, which I'm going to do now, I'm going to go soak my hair in some castor oil on my scalp, apply it to my shaft, detangle my hair, and then I'll let that sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to shampoo it, condition it, deep condition it, and then blow dry it. I'll show you guys what kind of products I use for my hair. So next time you'll see me, my hair will be wet, and I may show you how I blow dry it. We'll see. I don't know. I really don't like to blow dry my hair. I prefer somebody else to do it, which I might finesse Jada to get her to do it. Because I never really get my roots dry enough, so it just doesn't work for me. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post every Wednesday and Sunday. With all that being said, if you're ready for me to transform from this to beautiful, silky, straight hair, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just deep conditioned my hair. I was in there for like 2 or 3 hours because I was helping Lexi do something for another video that you guys haven't seen yet. But I rinsed it out, and this is my hair. Woohoo! It's actually really soft. This is what we're working with. It's a mess, but it's really soft. So I couldn't finesse Jada because she's cooking now. We're gonna be using this red blow dryer with the concentrated nozzle. I don't usually use this. I usually use the Revlon brush. I used Aussie Miracle Volume shampoo, the bamboo one, and then I used the Aussie Total Miracle conditioner with Apricot, and then I used Sheet Aromatherapy Hemp Hair Mask Repair and Restore. That's what I used. I can only blow dry my hair in sections, so we're gonna do that. Split it in 4 sections. Okay. Oh, heat protectant. Oh no, that's a must. I normally use this TRESemme one for my heat protectant. I usually just go in and spray my entire head first, just a light spritz. So we're gonna start with this section. Gotta detangle first, so let's just do that. And my hair does get dry throughout this process, so I usually, before I blow dry a section, put some more water in. Hi guys, future Brittany here. Editing this video. I didn't really know how to use that blow dryer that well, and I normally don't even use that, so I don't know why I tried with that. I don't know why I tried to use that blow dryer, and personally, like I said, I don't like to blow dry my own hair. So I ended up switching to the Revlon brush I was talking about. So I normally just go in with that and do my blow dry. It just looks better for me personally because I don't know how to blow dry. So that's why it just jumped from using that to that, because it wasn't working out and my ends were getting straight, which some of my ends are like a little scraggly, but it's fine. So yeah, thought I'd say that. Okay, enjoy the video. I am finally done with my hair. Lexi's gonna come up and press it with her pressing comb. So she uses this pressing comb that she just plugs into the wall. She just goes over my edges into my scalp, just my roots, and then yeah. It usually only takes me 15 minutes to straighten my hair after she does that, so yeah. Hopefully this goes by quick. Okay guys, my hair is fully pressed and this video will continue in 5 seconds because I'm going to sleep and finishing it in the morning.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, I am back. It is the next day because I went to sleep because it was getting late. And so we're back. My hair is blow dry and pressed. So I just went to sleep like this with the braid. So we're gonna take the braid out. Okay, and that's what we're looking like. It could be a look. Oh, it smells good and it's soft. And it's time to straighten her. It's kind of cute. So I use the BaBybliss Pro Primo 3000. This is the flat iron that I use. And it goes up to 465, but I use 410. So I do the chase method. That's the only way my hair will get smooth and straight and stuff. I can do bigger sections now since my hair is pressed. So that's perfect. So we look like this. And this is how much hair I have out in the back. I'm just gonna brush through it and make sure there's no tangles. So I normally just take the bottom and split it in two and go from there. And I go really slow. Okay, so the first piece is done. And I go really slow. And that's done. That's the bottom row. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to time lapse me doing it. I'm going to watch the looks while I do it. Okay, great. Hey guys, I am done. This is what the hair looks like. I kind of like to wear my hair like kind of still bone straight, but like a little thick. Like, see the thickness of my hair? So this is what it looks like from the back. Oops. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with the serum. Not too much because you don't want to put a lot of grease on your freshly straight hair. So let's do this. Spray your hands at the top, the ends, the flyaways. Now I don't like first day hair. I don't know anybody that actually does. So I will normally just wrap it up. After it's calm, it's cool, and it's laid down, then I like it. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. Also make sure you comment down below any tips that you have or your favorite part of the video, what we have in common, what we don't. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And with all that being said, I will see you in our next video. Stay blessed and stay lit. Bye.